अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ अनीका जुल्फ़िकार। आपने मुझे देखा फरियाल के रूप में इन कर्ज़ जान and my role is now finished. But you can catch me soon as Hoor and Noor in Junoon Ishkam on Jio TV. देखते रहे something hot.
Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Hot Talk, you're watching something hot of course. बड़ा कम ऐसा होता है कि कोई नया एक्टर आता है स्क्रीन पे और उसका रोल इतना इम्प्रेस नहीं करता जितना कैरेक्टर इम्प्रेस करता है। और फरियाल जो है कर्ज़ जान की, वो एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जिसने मेरे ख्याल है यूनानिमसली हर एक को इम्प्रेस किया है। कि हम बड़ा कम ये नैरेटिव देखते हैं ड्रामों में कि एक यंग प्रोग्रेसिव हिजाब पहनने वाली लड़की वो ये कहती है कि अगर ये मुझे पसंद नहीं करता तो मैं इसके साथ ज़िंदगी कैसे गुजारूँ। I'm talking about Anika Zulfikar. Anika's been around for a couple of years now. उन्होंने अपना डेब्यू किया मेरे ख्याल है नमक हराम के साथ और 2-3 ड्रामे उनके हुए, बट मेरे लिए ये उनका ब्रेक थ्रू था बिकॉज अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मेंस, ग्रेट स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस एंड अ ग्रेट कैरेक्टर। और उसके बाद वो जो करने वाली हैं वो तो मुझे लगता है और एक धमाका होने वाला है। उनसे सब ये बातें करेंगे। She's been doing a lot of work and I have with me Anika Zulfikar.
Hello.
How are you, Anika?
I'm good. I'm very taken aback by that beautiful intro of
Well,
yours.
I mean,
the whole time I was like, okay, do I be like my proper self or like what do I do? And I was like, मैं हाथ कहाँ रखूँ?
Yeah,
like, hello, thank you.
No, but I mean, it's just that हम वाकई बड़ा कम देखते हैं कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर टेलीविजन पे जो कि आपको मेन रोल नहीं है लेकिन वो इतना इम्प्रेस करे कि आप कहें कि यार ये लीड कैरेक्टर ही है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ लीड कैरेक्टर. Fantastic, but of course we'll get to Karzajan eventually. Anika, you've been around now for what, 2-3 years in the television industry in Pakistan.
Right. Yeah.
And you made a debut with Namak Haram. और आपने किया second lead किया आपने सारा खान के साथ, और उसके बाद आपने एक सोप किया नफरत.
That's right, yeah.
And that went very well. फिर आपने हम दोनों किया
जी.
जो कि हमने देखते देखते छोड़ दिया था.
मैं देखने I was like, where's the next review? I was like, oh, it's not there.
It's not there. It's not there anymore.
Yeah.
But उससे पहले there's a whole sort of a progression in love for performance, and you've done 2 short films that have done really well on the international circuit, on the film festival circuit. And when you read your title, it says like, you know, Canadian-born Pakistani actor.
It's funny. It's Pakistani-born Canadian Pakistani actor.
Canadian.
I was born in Karachi.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. So all of that. So everybody wants to know everything about you because किसी को कुछ नहीं पता कि अनीका कौन है. So where is this Canadian-born Pakistani actress coming from?
Pakistani-born.
Pakistani-born
Yes,
Canadian actress.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
so you were born here.
जी. I was born in Karachi.
Huh.
And soon after we went to Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, and I spent I want to say most of my life in Canada. फिर बीच के कुछ साल थे, I think from the age of 10 to 15 जो मैं पाकिस्तान में थी, जब मैंने उर्दू सीखा, सारी चीज़ें की. And then we went back to Canada, and it's just been a back and forth since.
Yeah. But when did you think that okay, I want to go to Pakistan to act? ये एक बड़ा मुश्किल डिसीजन है ये.
It was, लेकिन I think मेरे लिए I just did not like Canada.
You didn't?
Straight up. No, I feel like
And you were in Toronto.
I was in Toronto. I was in the suburb of Toronto. I spent most of my time there in Brampton, which is like the desiest part of Canada.
Okay.
So it was nice, but I was like, you know, I didn't feel that sense of belonging, and the reason why. 15, 16, and controversially, I was a hijabi at the time.
Really?
Yes. I wore hijab until the age of, I want to say, 17, 18.
Right.
And then I went to the theater because I was like, you know, I want somewhere to belong. I know everyone who feels like they don't belong goes to theater.
Yeah.
And I fell in love with it. I was like, this is my purpose. This is my goal. This is my worship. This is everything.
15,
16, yeah. I never got the lead role or anything, but because वहाँ पे एक community सी बन गई थी theater में, और I still remember it was a very small role. It was the smallest role that I could have gotten, but it was like I mean, I shouldn't get into the detail of it. It's a really long story. But एक monologue था जिसमें you have to like, I had to go up and cry and tell the audience about my daughter who is lost and I'm trying to find her.
Okay.
And there was just this nod that my drama teacher gave to his assistant or co-director, and he said, "Look at her," and I was like, "Yes,
Okay,
I
can do this.
I can do this,
Yeah.
right?" And it was from that point on where I was like, "ठीक है, this is even if I can't pursue this professionally, this is something that gives me purpose
Yeah.
and makes me happy."
Yeah.
So from that point on, it was like, bas, yeah. Obviously,
yeah.
there were obstacles and stuff. My parents obviously were not on board.
They were not.
Not
Nahin.
at all. Not at all. They were like, "Let's just say ये theatre कर रही है, it's an extracurricular, whatever."
Right.
But they could see that I was slowly becoming more and more
Passionate about
more,
it.
yeah, exactly.
तो family background क्या थी? मतलब है कि कोई was there performance or art or anything in the family?
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. I'm told that my dad's side in India is very like forward thinking and artistic, but we have no connections to them, so
Okay.
I have no idea.
Okay.
But yeah, no, कोई भी नहीं था family में. It was just me and my desire to do theater, honestly. That I was like, नहीं बस ये करना है. My sister was my biggest support. Yeah, my parents, my entire extended family are very conservative. They're all based in Canada,
Right.
but they're all very conservative. Yeah.
So बीच में से एक
मैं निकल आई. हाँ. ये पता नहीं अजूबा कहाँ से आके.
एक breakaway
Yeah.
factor family का.
Yeah.
And then you did 2 films in Canada.
I did. I did theater and then I
Majboor-e Mamool?
Majboor-e Mamool and
Haan.
Desi Standard Time Travel. They both came around the same time. They were part of the same film festival. They both had similar themes. They had themes of parental relationships and
Okay.
making your peace with what they become.
Okay.
They're both diaspora stories of Pakistanis, second generation Pakistanis. Again, all themes that I could really relate with. But yeah, those were really cool. I was actually writing for that film festival. I don't know if I should reveal this. I was writing for the grant that
Okay.
both of those films won.
Okay.
And then I gave up on it. I was like, ye nahi hoga mujhse, as a writer does. I was like, this is not a short film. This is a film. And then when it became a film, I was like, this is not a film, this is a series. And then I gave up on it. I was like, I can't write this anymore.
Okay.
But anyway, I did those 2 films. It was a lot of fun. I made a lot of friends in the Canadian Desi scene, the film scene there. But wahan pe ye hai ki there is a cap. There is only so much you can do before you realize that there's not that much out there
Right.
for us.
For you. Yeah.
Unless you are very stereotypically Desi. If you
Yeah.
are like ambiguous or whatever, they have the white girls for those roles. They
Yeah.
have, the black women. They just want their token. And I knew that I could not be a token because I'm not your stereotypical brown,
You're not,
what they
yeah.
consider brown.
You're not brown enough.
I'm not brown enough, which is crazy. So, khair,
खैर
that was
लेकिन
that.
ये कनेडियन फिल्म सीन तो अलग चल रहा था.
Yeah.
फिर एक बड़ा एक्साइटिंग Canadian Punjabi music scene चल रहा था. And then all of a sudden Anika does a video with Karan Aujla. How did that happen?
You know?
ये क्या हुआ? I mean, I don't think you speak Punjabi.
I don't.
Oh, you said that your father's side is from India.
Yes.
And your mother's side is from.
So no, they're both Pakistani, दोनों कराची के.
Okay.
लेकिन हम लोग महाजर हैं, उर्दू
ठीक
speaking
है.
हैं, तो ज़्यादातर आधी family जो है on
वो
my
इंडिया
father's
में.
side is
Right.
in India. So.
हाँ, and where in India?
I
All
think they're
over.
scattered.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never been
You've
in
never
touch with
been,
them.
right.
Yeah, so I have no idea. I found out actually from my dad's cousin, from my popo, that it was a very sweet conversation. She was like, "You're not as alone as you think you are in our family. There's more of you. You
Okay.
just have never met them before."
Okay.
And I was like, "Okay, fine. I will go and find them one day. Let's see." But khair, anyway, that was a tangent. हाँ नहीं पंजाबी नहीं आती मुझे.
Canadian Punjabi music scene.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ. Addi Sunni. I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it because मैं पंजाबी
that's
बोल
how
लेती
I
हूँ.
would pronounce it
Okay.
also. So I don't know.
ठीक
I
है.
think you're pronouncing it fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
तो ये कैसे
maybe
हुआ?
you can put a snippet of the song and I think it is Addi Sunni.
हाँ.
ये ऐसे हुआ कि ironically one of my acquaintances was doing a music video as a model and she had to back out last minute and she said कि तुम चली जाओ मेरी जगह. And this was the director for that music video with Karan Aujla. And I was like, I don't know, like I've never done a music video before. Like she's like, Nini Jao, it's like $150.
Had you done theatre by then?
Yeah,
You had?
just theater.
Okay.
And other things online. Now that sounds so shady, but yeah, the YouTube scene.
We'll get to the shady YouTube
I was like,
scene.
other things online. I was like, okay, if I don't reveal what it is at this point, it's
हाँ.
bad. Okay. So she didn't go. And she was like, "Tum chale jao meri jagah." And it was $150, and for me, $150 at the time was a very big deal. And I was like, "I'll split it with you." She's like, "No, please just go." I went. The director really liked me. It was a lot of fun. I think I had the edge of being a theater performer. So I think there was an ease that I had that they didn't find previously with other models.
Yeah.
So the director, Rupan Bal, was like, "I'm going to put you in my videos." And I was like, "Okay, sure." And then I did Jazzy B.
Give me the money, give me the opportunity.
Huh?
I'm in. Yeah.
I was
और
like,
क्या
why not?
चाहिए?
Yeah. And it was fun. It was just
Yeah.
like bhagte daurte hue, with one camera, taking shots here and there. That's it, whatever. You get your money at the end of the day. It's pretty cool. It was a lot of fun and it was quick money.
Yeah.
Then I did a music video for Jazzy B, who कौन सा गाना था? जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटिया. That was my second music video.
I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's also out there.
Okay.
And there was like a couple other music videos with the same director, and
That's
he
बड़ा
was like,
famous गाना है ये तो.
yeah. I wasn't in that music
Okay.
video, but
Okay.
a recent one. Where was I?
Music videos करें फिर हाँ.
Then I did the music videos, and then he was like, Rupan's also, he's such a, the person was like, Kida jo kehte hain, he's like he's such a, I don't know what the word for it is. He was like, I'm going to get you ready to be good for a Karan Aujla music video.
Okay.
And he would kind of like hang that over my head. And I was like, okay, fine, sure. He's like, no, you need to be good enough for it. You need to brush up on your Punjabi. You need to do this, you need to do that. I was like, okay, good, whatever. And then, one day he was like, okay, let's do a music video. Karan's on board. He wants to meet you.
Super.
Let's
उस
get
वक्त
on
जो
set.
conservative family थी, उनका क्या वो were they making peace with it now कि चाहिए तो?
At this point they were, and also like I think my USP for Punjabi music videos was the fact that I would do the roles that required crying
Yeah.
and required a more conservative look.
Made for Pakistani television.
बस
ये
क्या
तो
कह
वही तो
सकते
होना
हैं?
था.
या ये तो
होना था अगर
बस
रोना
ये
आ
था.
जाए और conservative आप हो जाए
I
तो.
know. That's
पता-
it. Which is so funny because I was like, I tried to like push against that, but we'll come towards that later. But yeah, and then that was it. That was in the music video. It was a lot of fun. It was like a 12 or 13-hour day. Karan was great. Karan wasn't as famous as he is now
back then, yeah.
at that time, but he was still, everyone knew that.
And this was what year?
This was 2022?
21,
22, 21.
Maybe he was big enough.
He was big
He
enough,
was
but
big.
it was
He was
more of
big.
those things like people who knew Punjabi music knew him,
Yeah.
but now I think he's more of like a everyone knows him
Yeah.
type of deal.
किसी भी नए एक्टर को आप देखते हैं टेलीविजन पे तो ऐसा लगता है कि अभी आया इतना फेमस हो गया या ओवरनाइट फेम, बट ओवरनाइट नहीं होती है.
नहीं होती है.
ओवरनाइट नहीं होती, बड़े
नहीं
सालों की
होती है.
मेहनत होती है.
ऐसे ही है.
डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं. आपने म्यूजिक वीडियोस करी, यू डिड थिएटर, यू डिड दोस शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, यू आल्सो डिड अ बिट ऑफ व्लॉगिंग. सो यू डिड, आई मीन पूरा वो आप करते हैं. यू गो थ्रू द रूटीन्स एंड and that all added and sort of helped you with your acting
Definitely.
experience and
It
everything.
added so much value.
Added value, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So when did you decide कि अच्छा अब मैं अपना बोरिया बिस्तरा उठा के अब पाकिस्तान जा रही हूँ?
You know,
मैं
never-
चली बस.
मेरी जिंदगी में कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैंने कोई firm decision किया हो. Even like our family's decision to go back to Canada जब मैं 15 साल की थी, it was just like कि हाँ हम लोग जाते हैं summer के लिए वापस आ जाएंगे. Then we went, and then some family issues and stuff happened, and then it was just like, okay, fine, I guess we're just gonna stay here. And we left for summer. We ended up now. It's been like what, 11 years since we've been back in Canada.
Yeah.
So I think मेरे लिए Pakistan आना, it wasn't such a big deal because I was like, let me just go check it out.
Going back home, perhaps also that feeling.
For sure, because मेरे लिए Canada, Toronto never felt like home.
Right.
तो I think there was always a sense कि मैं पाकिस्तान वापस आना चाहती हूँ. बल्कि it's not just me. All of the second gen diaspora people that I know, Pakistani, Indian, otherwise, whatever, they're also jaded by the West. Completely jaded. कि एक तो living expenses are so much.
Yeah.
The return is not that much. It's a very, plus the weather, I hate Canadian weather.
Too cold, man. Too cold.
I hate it. People are like, oh my god, snow. आप एक महीने से ज़्यादा रह के दिखाएं
हाँ.
बर्फ वाले मौसम में. It's hell. So that's why I'm like really happy. For me, it wasn't like a struggle or an adjustment. I was just like.
So three things. ना एक तो ये कि representation, you have an identity here.
Yeah.
दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि टेलीविज़न कुछ भी हो सबके दिमाग में ज़रा सा फेम एंड फॉर्चून का तो एक होता है. There is an attraction, right? Hard work तो है. When you make it to the top, when you make it anywhere, you coming into this industry, but you were confident. And I've heard that you manifest things really well.
I do.
You do. कि अगर मैंने सुना है कि if you think of something, it happens.
It just happens.
So what's happening there?
I think now manifestation has become a very commonplace concept. But I strongly believe in it. I think even, it's going to sound so weird. You know, I've practiced having this interview with you and I'm still doing so bad. I'm not even kidding. I think for as long as you and Hassan have been making videos, like I've watched them with my mom in Canada, sitting and watching them. So even me being here is a result of that manifestation, you know, like sitting in that basement in Brampton watching TV and then closing it and then being like, मैं जाऊंगी तो कैसा होगा, you know what I mean? But it's very much that. I think I've been very good at visualizing exactly what I want. I don't think it's so much hard work as it is belief. I just, then it became like a practice for me. I would journal the things that I wanted. Because
Yeah, of course.
So even getting to work with Asim Awasi for me, that was also manifestation because I had watched his previous work. It just, I think, शायद अल्लाह ने कोई चीज़ दी है ऐसी कि मैं सोचती हूँ और वो हो जाती है. Or maybe it's just कि I think, and I could give whatever meaning I want to it, is maybe people like me need to get out there to show that maybe it's possible. Because obviously for me, I don't make it a point to show my struggle. In Pakistan aane tak, obviously there was a struggle, but alhamdulillah in 2 or 3 years, I've gotten pretty far. But
Anika,
again,
you came in absolutely raw.
Yeah.
And you came in with no contacts in the television industry, no network at all.
No.
And, looking for work and, all that. And you did it in a very disciplined way. मुझे पता है कि आपने कोई ऐसी out of the way जाके networking नहीं की लोगों के साथ या, favors जीतने की कोशिश नहीं की है लोगों के साथ. And today, alhamdulillah, 2-3 years into it, you just moved into your own apartment. Yes?
Yeah.
And that's huge.
Yeah.
That's
just, alhamdulillah, I've been very lucky. At the end of the day, I think it does, fortunately or unfortunately, come down to luck. I do work hard.
Yeah.
I feel like do the right things. But I think a lot of the times I've ended up at the right place at the exact right time without trying to. And I think there's some divine alignment there.
Intervention.
Yeah.
कुछ तो है. कुछ तो है.
For sure.
And you're self-sufficient today.
जी alhamdulillah.
And that's huge. So वाकई hope मिलती है लड़कियों को कि भाई आप you can come in and hard work, I mean, मैंने सुना है that you don't pick up calls after 10 o'clock.
Hey, सुना आपने?
मैंने सुना है.
किसने बताया आपको? मैं नहीं उठाती, वाकई मैं नहीं उठाती.
हाँ मैंने सुना है that you don't have that desperation कि उफ मुझे ऐसा ना हो कि कोई काम मिस हो जाए 10 बजे के
नहीं,
बाद या
नहीं.
आपने फ़ोन नहीं उठाना और you're not like sort of hitchhiking or getting rides home or favors और खाने ये होता ही है, नेटवर्किंग होती है इंडस्ट्री में
और मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा है कि मुझे करनी चाहिए, एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ी सी और सोशल हूँ, लेकिन आई फील दैट हमेशा से मैंने खुद को आउटसाइडर फील किया है, तो आई सेट दोज बाउंड्रीज फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो कि भाई इससे these are my parameters and that's it, and it's good क्योंकि I am someone who is very open. बहुत आसानी से मेरी दोस्तियाँ हो जाती हैं लोगों से, लेकिन फिर ये भी होता है मुझे कि I want to also protect myself. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा सा ना खुद को गेट कीप करूँ because I'm like I want to be in my own energy.
ठीक है, that's great. So wrap up very briefly for me your experiences in नमक हराम, नफरत, हम दोनों, तीनों ड्रामे, ये आपके पहले 3 ड्रामे थे. In a nutshell, ये क्या एक्सपीरियंस था?
तीनों एक साथ या अलग अलग?
अलग अलग कर लो विषय.
नमक हराम
आपका पहला ड्रामा था.
पहला ड्रामा था. आई थिंक आई वुड से अबाउट नमक हराम के नमक हराम ने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस किया कि काम किस तरह से होता है यहाँ पे. I got to meet everyone at Hum. I got to know everyone. मुझे चीज़ों का थोड़ा सा समझ आने लगा कि अच्छा अंदर से इस तरह होता है. So that was नमक हराम. नफरत was a lot of fun. नफरत में मुझे नफरत में मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. मैंने अपनी उर्दू बहुत बेहतर की. बहुत मेहनत की शाम भाई ने मुझ पे डांट के and all that stuff, and it was tough. लेकिन I think मेरी उर्दू को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुधारने का क्रेडिट हशाम सैयद को जाता है. मैं ये क्लिप उनको फॉरवर्ड करूँगी because he's like तुम बहुत बुरा भला कहोगी मेरे बारे में. नहीं, you're the one who really
fine-tuned my Urdu.
तो नफरत gave me an idea कि स्क्रीन पे किस तरह से पाकिस्तानी स्क्रीन पे किस तरह से एक्ट करना है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली जिस तरह से यहाँ पे एक्टिंग की जाती है वो उस तरह से नहीं है जिस तरह मैं सीख के आई थी कनाडा से. और वो वाली जो मैं एक्टिंग कनाडा में करती थी वो यहाँ की स्क्रीन पे आके फ्लैट हो रही थी. तो it felt like I had to relearn how to act.
यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक होता है.
जी.
There's more drama.
There's more drama, and I think कि it's a completely different medium. And I think with our culture ज़रूरी होता है थोड़ा सा उसमें फ्लेयर ऐड करना, ड्रामा ऐड करना. उर्दू ज़ुबान ही ऐसी है कि विदाउट दैट फ्लेयर उसे मज़ा ही नहीं आना. अभी भी मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म इस बात पे मिलती है कि मैं बस अपनी लाइंस फेंक देती हूँ, उसको फील नहीं करती, उसको मज़ा नहीं लेती. तो दैट्स समथिंग आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन. और दिस स्पेसिफिक थिंग सेगुइंग इनटू हम दोनों, आबिस भाई ने मुझे सिखाया कि कैसे टाइम लेना है, कैसे आपको यूज़ कैसे करना है स्क्रीन, और जो टाइम आपको मिल रहा है वो किस तरह करना है. हम दोनों में बहुत मज़ा आया. It was a lot of fun. It was a great environment on set. It was Azan, Kinza, Summer, Sherry, myself, Zavia. It just became like a friendly friend environment. हम दोनों also taught me कि don't just go on what the name is on the script. Because I'm a huge fan of Beagles, but I feel like that script went through a lot of washing in the process.
We don't know what happened. It did not come across as a Beagle script.
And while you're filming, you never know how it's going to turn out. You really never know. Or maybe I don't have the experience कि मैंने अभी वो craft नहीं develop किया कि script पढ़ के मैं जांच सकूँ कि ये कैसा होगा.
Who helps you with your scripts?
For now, it's just me.
You're doing it yourself.
I'm just doing it myself.
We don't have an agent or manager. बहुत से लोग अपनी अम्मी को दिखाते हैं स्क्रिप्ट को ये करना चाहिए.
मैं मामा को my mom, alhamdulillah, now she's my biggest supporter. It took a really long time to get to this point, but I'm sure now she thinks I've made it because I'm sitting on your show. But My mom helps me a lot. She's like, अच्छा director कौन है? Then she goes and she knows usually कि previous work क्या है, सारी चीज़ें हैं. And I give a rundown of the script and whatever and all that sort of thing. Again, there's no one really there to guide me through choosing. I think even that for me, even at this point, up until this point, it's been a very intuitive process.
Right.
I think for me more so than the script, I look at the character. कि मैं कौन सा character इसमें play करूँ, मैं क्या ला सकती हूँ इसमें जो कि पहले नहीं दिखाया गया.
पहले नहीं दिखाया गया. Right.
So I feel like to a certain extent, other than obviously the soap that I did, I got to explore different types of characters. Characters that you see on screen, but I
Yeah.
wanted to bring my own
Right.
into that.
Yeah.
ये जो trope है, the girl that doesn't get chosen, it's your quintessential second lead.
Yeah.
It's your every second lead.
Every second lead,
Yeah.
which is why Faryal was so refreshing.
Exactly.
अच्छा, so ये 3 ड्रामे हुए, and then all of a sudden Karza Jaan comes along, you know, and it's a big project, and it's got a huge, it's got Yumna Zaidi, so
Yeah.
obviously it's got a big cast. Director
Yeah.
Saqib Khan, you know, writer relatively not like that known, but a good writer.
A good writer.
So how did the role come to you? How did you manifest that? How did you manifest Faryal?
I think Faryal might be the only one जिसे मैंने manifest ना किया हो.
Huh, I remember meeting you was it last year or 2 years ago when you said you were getting into a character who wears a
Last
hijab,
year.
and
Yeah.
I was like, okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, I think again वही वाली चीज़ है कि at this point or up until that point in my career, I wanted to do as many roles as possible.
Yeah.
That showed my range within the confine of second lead who gets rejected. So I was like,
वो तो है.
you know, I was like,
हाँ.
अच्छा इसका एक और रंग मैं किस तरह से दिखा सकती हूँ. And that was cool for me. As I had mentioned, I had worn a hijab until I was 18.
Yeah.
So it was nice for me to step into that and represent a version of myself.
It's a very emancipated version. I mean,
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा character था.
It was beautiful. I think जो मेरे लिए reservation थी, जो कि मैंने साकिब भाई को उसी वक्त बताई थी जब हम मिले थे ऑफिस में, वो ये था कि मैं नहीं चाहती कि ये कैरेक्टर प्रीची हो. मैं नहीं चाहती कि वो आके बस ये कहे कि मैं हिजाब करती हूँ तो मैं दूसरों से बेहतर हूँ और मैं अपने दीन पे हूँ और
हाँ,
ये
नहीं,
वो ये
नहीं,
वो.
नहीं.
And he said to me, I was like, मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम ये कैरेक्टर इस तरह परसीव करो कि hijab is just one facet of her identity.
Yeah.
It's not the main thing.
No, she's a cool girl.
She's a cool girl.
Yeah.
And hijabis are cool girls.
Yeah.
I think पाकिस्तानी mainstream में ये misconception है कि
Stereotype कर दिया.
हाँ, हिजाबी लड़की है तो वो serious रहेगी, वो सीधी तरह बात नहीं करेगी. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं है. और I think इसी वजह से हिजाबीज जो हैं काफ़ी हद तक वो खुद को थोड़ा सा isolated या ostracized feel करते हैं even in this society. So that's why for me it was fun. I was like, you know what? This is a real character.
Yeah.
This is a real person. It's a version of me. अगर मैं
Yeah.
hot take, controversial, अगर मैं इंडस्ट्री में ना आ रही होती, थिएटर ना कर रही होती, और अगर मैं स्टिल हिजाब कर रही होती तो
ऐसी होती.
मैं फरियाल जैसी होती.
Yeah.
And I know people who are just like Faryal in
पहला
Canada.
सीन जो इंट्रोडक्शन था फरियाल का, वो नमाज पढ़ने लगी है और अमार आ गया है और उसके जाए नमाज पे खड़ा होता है. कहते एक्सक्यूज मी, तमीज़ नहीं है. You know, was that the first? That wasn't the first scene that you guys recorded.
It was.
It was. Okay, nice.
It was. I come on set.
हाँ.
We were ready to go. और मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि मैं हर जब सेट पे जाती हूँ मुझे लगता है कि मेरा एक्टिंग का पहला दिन है.
Yeah.
So I think that scene took us like 2 hours.
Okay.
And Namir is like an acquaintance. I've known him actually for a long time since Canada. And so we were looking forward to working
इतना
together.
बड़ा Canada, you guys actually knew each other in Canada?
Yeah. I know. इतना बड़ा.
इतना बड़ा Canada, okay.
Small world.
Yeah.
So we were like, okay, you know, looking forward to working together, etc. And Namir had, you know, spent time working with Saqib Bhai and all this stuff, and Namir was like, I got this.
Yeah,
you know?
he got
And
it, yeah.
I think for me, people kind of put me on a pedestal a bit. They're like, अच्छा Canada से आई है, acting पढ़ के आई है, इसको तो आता होगा, हर चीज़ आती होगी.
Yeah.
मैं खड़ी हो गई. I looked into the camera lens twice. It's like I completely forgot how to act. Yeah, in that scene, but it was fun. It was good. initially I had read a criticism online कि अच्छा अगर वो पैर रख रहा है उसमें क्या बुराई है. I think the way originally that they wanted to take the scene was that उसने जूते नहीं उतारे हुए थे. But that was, Namir was uncomfortable with that.
Yeah, I'm
the director
glad they
himself
didn't
was,
show
yeah,
that. Yeah.
कि
इतना तो नहीं है ना
हाँ.
बेवकूफ के जूते लेके जानवास पे चढ़े.
Yeah.
लेकिन ये कि
अगर है भी तो as a person, as an actor, you don't want to go there.
you don't want to go there,
Yeah.
absolutely. Or he's in her space.
Yeah.
For me, it was like,
Yeah.
you're in my space.
Yeah.
Back up,
Yeah.
back off. वो था. And then she immediately likes Burhan, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course. I think Burhan और फयाल की जो dynamic थी वो ऐसी थी कि they both spoke the same intellectual language.
Yeah.
She was on paper, his perfect match.
Yeah.
But I think that Burhan and Faryal would have been too similar. I think there's no growth there. I think to a certain extent, maybe I'm saying this as Anika, but I think maybe Faryal would have also known that she would need something that would inform her life experience more. Do you know what I mean? Because Burhan is perfect for her.
Yeah.
Why this is someone who faces adversity, who takes things heads on. Why would she?
फिर तो अमार बड़ा अच्छा रहता उसके लिए.
नहीं लेकिन वो अमार was bad.
अमार फिर तो
Amar is bad.
अमार अच्छा रहता उसके साथ.
A different writer would have written it like that.
She does catch his eye. I mean, when she comes in, I mean, खूबसूरत तो है फरियाल. तो हिजाब है और अमार जो है वो तो बिल्कुल पटरी से उतरा हुआ है, लेकिन वो देखता जरूर है उसको के.
I think कि अमार
Okay, ये तो अच्छी है.
just has a wandering eye. I think I caught his attention, but I don't think Amar would have ever gotten serious about Faryal.
Right.
I think sometimes it's hard to, like, even if he did, it's hard to escape your vices.
Yeah.
And that, again, that could have been a story, but that would have been a very different story.
And she was no nonsense.
Yeah.
Completely no nonsense.
No.
उसने तो नहीं बर्दाश्त करना था.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
अमार की हरकतों को.
बिल्कुल भी
उसने
नहीं.
तो बड़ों की बरकतें नहीं बर्दाश्त की. नाश्ते की मेज पे सबको सिखा दिया कि
जब चाहें आप हमारे पास रहने आ सकती हैं. You're most welcome. लेकिन मैं आपकी बहू नहीं बन सकती.
मैं आपकी बहू नहीं बन सकती. मैंने कहा okay, is she like crossing a line here? बदतमीजी कर रही है. कर तो
No,
रही है.
like for me also, I was like, that felt very bold to perform for me, ironically, because I was like, she can't not know that she's being disrespectful.
Yeah.
But it was also, for me, as an actor, as a human being, to perform that, it was very refreshing because you never get to talk back to the elders, and here is someone who knows that she is being supported by her family, by her mother, and she's like, जो मुझे नजर आ रहा है मैं उसी तरह कहूँगी, and why not? मुझे नजर आ रहा है कि इस घर में गलत हो रहा है, तो that was very nice to perform. Yeah.
It was great to watch as well. It was lots of fun to watch. मैं कहा सुना के गई है ये बड़ा very good.
I watched it back and I was like, all right, she did it. She did her thing.
She did her thing. और जो बख्तियार का expression होता है दीपक का, it was like fantastic.
Yeah, Bakhtiar is so much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun.
Yeah.
It's so much fun watching him on screen. It's just such a, I mean, obviously घिन आती है, but it's also
they're
like,
refreshing
damn.
actors,
Yeah.
characters, refreshing because they're not your stereotypical bad guy, second lead, heroine, hero. वो नहीं है. सबके अंदर quirks हैं. वो बड़े मजे के लगते हैं देखने.
And I really hope कि पाकिस्तानी इंडस्ट्री में ये और आए, क्योंकि इंसान ऐसे ही होते हैं. इंसान completely black या white नहीं होता.
लेकिन बुरहान completely white है.
लेकिन है या नहीं है?
अभी तक तो है. आगे जाके कोई red flag निकाल ले तो निकाल ले.
नहीं, what I mean is you don't have to have a red flag to have color.
परेशान हो जाता है बेचारा कि oh God मैं कैसे कहूँ.
Which is human. Because if he was if he was fully white, it'd be like, guns blazing, going in his Vigo with his 6 guards and busting Nashwa out of there, So
how difficult was that scene, or was it easy?
Which one?
The last scene, last episode, exit, फरियाल का exit. बुलाता है बुरहान उसको बरामदे में बैठ के, वो उसको बताता है कि I really like you. You're क्या कहता है? You're strong, you're beautiful, you're 3 चीजें कहता है. But I don't have the feelings for you that I need for the person who I'm going to marry.
That scene I think मेरे लिए कर्ज जान में सबसे आसान सीन था.
आसान सीन था because it came naturally to
It
you.
came naturally
You
to
would be the same.
I would be the same.
हाँ.
I think मेरे लिए फरियाल के साथ कनेक्ट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था. Because फरियाल मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट है एज अ पर्सन. आई थिंक कि फरियाल की उसी सीन में हमने ह्यूमन साइड देखी है. उसके अलावा हमने फरियाल का ह्यूमन साइड नहीं देखा. तो आई थिंक मेरे लिए वो सीन आसान था. एट दैट पॉइंट आई ऑलरेडी हैड अ थोड़ा सा connection with Saqib Bhai, working with him as a director. Just so jealous of all the other actors, especially Namir, who got to work with him in that depth. You know what I mean? So it was nice to get to do that. And Osama is also very easygoing, and he's like, okay, just let's do our thing, whatever. What was refreshing for me with Saqib Bhai was his continuously saying to tone it down, because in Pakistan हमें कहते हैं कि हाँ आपको अपनी इमोशन की पीक पे ले जाना
अभी होने वाला है ना इमोशन
हाँ,
की पीक
हाँ,
होने अभी इमोशन की पीक होने वाली है
हाँ, that's a different type of range. You're gonna see that and you're gonna be like, you're good for this type of thing. You know what I mean? बखैर आसान था, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं था. It felt natural. I think for an actor it's very important कि आप comfort feel करो अपने director के साथ, अपने co-actor के साथ, and to just feel grounded. Like there's just, I don't know if other actors have described it as such, like, and there's a zen when it comes to just being present in a scene, in the silent moments. You're not thinking of anything. There's nothing else. There's just you and your scene partner. I was able to get there with Osama and with Saqib Bhai in that moment. And I think finding those moments is what makes Karzajan. It's those moments of silence. It's those there's no extra music there.
No.
There's just that lingering moment. I think that's the beauty of not only the scene but the entire drama. You know,
there's a beautiful play with light.
Beautiful.
There's some score in the background, but it's not overwhelming.
It's not dictating the emotion. ये मैं देखा है पाकिस्तानी ड्रामा में बहुत ज़्यादा आपका बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक प्ले होना शुरू हो जाता है. Let there be let there be that silence, even if it's awkward. Let it linger. Let the people feel what is there. I think Karzajan really excelled there.
Right.
Yeah.
And how is Faryal's relationship with Nashwa? And how was it working? उसमें कहती है ना कि I'm really look up to Nashwa. Yeah, I'm really impressed when she knows that Burhan gaya. She knows. At that minute, I felt that she knew.
I think that yes, there were a few moments where I think जहाँ पे ऑफिस में वो सीन था जहाँ हम बताते हैं नशवा को कि we're thinking of this. वहाँ पे मैंने obviously फरियाल ने realize किया कि I might have overstepped. The other scene was in the kitchen when he says कि मैं जा रहा हूँ neighbors के पास and I say कि मुझसे ज़्यादा दुख नहीं होगा किसी को, and then I was like, am I perceiving this the way that it actually is or हो जाएगा मेरा scene? And then when he goes on the day of the wedding, I know for sure कि I need to stop lying to myself. I need to obviously Faryal is someone who has a lot of dignity, a lot of self-respect and a lot of self-awareness. So she's like, I'm not going to BS myself anymore. I know what it is and I need to clear it. I need to bring it into the open.
रोती भी है. You see a bit of vulnerability for the first time.
You know,
और बेचारी उसकी अम्मी का तो हशर हो जाता है.
अम्मी तो बस अपनी tangent पे ना.
वो तो she crumbled at that point. इतनी वो stoic or dignified or I'm kind of sort of perturbed by anything. और ये जब होता है तो वो तो उनका तो हशर हो जाता है. मैंने कहा बस this was her Achilles heel. गई. ये तो गई. Bye bye. कुतिया खाला टाटा bye bye.
कुतिया खाला. कुतिया खाला the matchmaker. But yeah, I feel that Faryal, I wish that the screen or like the story got to explore more of her human side. I think that's something that I also struggled with because I was like, this person is perfect. iski imperfection kya hai? You know what I mean? I was like, what's... So I think what I found was in that scene when she says, "Acha, I can take it."
Yeah.
And then she says, "I wish you had told."
Hadn't told me directly. Yeah.
Yeah. That was her being human. That was her saying, there's only so much.
Yeah.
There's only so much, I think, heartbreak
Heartbreak. Yeah.
that I can take.
Yeah.
Or so much of a guard I can put up in this moment, you know. So for sure, Priyal, I think, was a very beautiful character. I'm so grateful that I got to play that character.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. Nashwa, back to Nashwa, sorry, I never answered that. Like Anika,
Huh.
I think Faryal also wanted to be close to Nashwa
Huh.
or get to know her a bit better because she's someone she respected a lot.
Yeah.
I think she was expecting कि मैं जाऊंगी Pakistan and I'm going to become close with all my cousins. I think जो फर्क है फरियाल और नशवा में वो privilege का भी है बहुत ज़्यादा. फरियाल की ज़िंदगी में उसे हर चीज़ मिली हुई है और उसको शायद पता नहीं है इस बात का. उसको नहीं पता कि कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है दूसरी लड़कियों के लिए. Which is why I can also understand कि नशवा की थोड़ी सी उसकी तरफ एक जो रश्क वो फील करती है.
Resentment
थोड़ा सा फील करती है फरियाल की तरफ towards her. It's understandable.
Yeah.
It's human. As a matter of fact, I think I can relate more with Nashwa than I can with Faryal, which is, I think, the case for most women, most people watching. I think Faryal is a
You
very...
relate more to Nashwa?
Definitely.
How come?
I think my mom is a bit like Bisma. That's why.
Really?
Yeah. My mom got married very, very young. Not very, very young. Like, I think 21, 22. Soon after getting married in Pakistan, she went and she lived in Canada with her mother-in-law for 5-6 years while my dad was away in Dubai.
Okay.
So the harsh winters of Montreal and raising, at this point, me and then my sister, 2 girls in French Canada is tough.
Yeah.
Without your spouse being there.
Yeah.
So in a lot of ways, I think me and my sister became our mom's voice. कि भाई थोड़ी सी अकल कर लें यार, थोड़ा सा बड़ी हो जाएं, you know, just like, you know, stand up for yourself, say something. I think Nashwa is a much more relatable character for me than Faryal is. And I think I felt a similar resentment towards Faryal. Because when you approach a character, you approach it with empathy. It's like meeting someone. I'm not sure if I'd ever be friends with Faryal. I don't think Anika would ever be friends, like actual friends with Faryal. You know what I mean? I would find that it's a bit hard to
That's interesting
connect.
because you just said there are parts of Faryal that you really connected with, like that last scene,
Yes.
But you wouldn't be friends with her.
I wouldn't be.
You
I
would be-
think I can be articulate the way that Faryal is. I can be confident. I can be self-aware. But I don't think that I have that intense sense of stability in my own self that Faryal does. And that's it's something that I think I aspire to. So it's fun putting myself in the shoes of someone who is already so sure of themselves. You know what I mean?
So how difficult has it been finding that confidence and finding that stability being alone in a city like Karachi for you?
Karachi's been so good to me.
It's good to you.
So
That's good to know that Karachi is good to
Alhamdulillah.
people.
Yeah.
Because अकेले आना
blessed.
कराची जैसे शहर में जहाँ पे I mean it's not really a woman friendly city.
No.
It's not a woman friendly country. लेकिन अकेले यहाँ के रहना और फिर entertainment industry में रहना, to be an actor, to be a female actor, it puts you in a very vulnerable situation.
I think, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, I think I've been very lucky. I feel like there's a guardian angel watching over me. मैं जहाँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जहाँ कदम रखती हूँ वहाँ पे, you know, there is some kind of मेरा फ़ायदा होता है उस चीज़ में. या तो शायद मेरा outlook है कि मुझे नहीं लगता. Obviously there are struggles now that I live on my own.
Yeah. बड़ी बात है निका 2-3 साल में you're on your own.
Alhamdulillah. This is something I would have never been able to imagine for myself in
I
Canada.
must visit you.
You have to. You have to. I'm gonna invite you to the housewarming when it finally happens. It's been like 5 months and I've been telling people that there's going to be a housewarming. But,
ये बड़ी बात है.
yeah, and I think for me, in my life, it's the biggest thing I've ever achieved, I think, being able to find a place for myself. Because again, like I said, मेरी ज़िंदगी बहुत ज़्यादा back and forth थी.
Yeah.
पाकिस्तान, फिर कनाडा में 2-3 अलग जगह, फिर पाकिस्तान और फिर यहाँ वहाँ, staying with family, staying with friends, that kind of thing. I think my whole life has led up to me having a place of my own and feeling like this is home.
And what's so encouraging is that if you're a young actor, if you're a young female actor, and even if you've done 2 or 3 dramas in Pakistan, and you've done supporting characters, not the main lead yet, you can still empower yourself
Absolutely.
financially. You can empower yourself enough to live independently and
Yeah.
sustain your own sort of life.
Yeah.
That's great. That's
Alhamdulillah,
very
yes.
encouraging.
Yeah.
That's very encouraging.
You
Because
just
लोग
have to-
payments की करते हैं, complain करते हैं, payments नहीं मिलती, कम पैसे मिलते हैं, especially supporting cast को. But you've made it.
I think for me, यहाँ पे again, I do have to acknowledge my privilege. Even though I don't come from money necessarily, I don't have connections. I present myself in a certain way. I can speak confidently.
Yeah.
अंग्रेजी बोल लेती हूँ. I think inherently यहाँ पे
इससे फर्क पड़ता है?
फर्क पड़ता है, बहुत फर्क पड़ता है और मुझे नहीं लगता था कि पड़ता है, लेकिन पड़ता है. So I do have to acknowledge that कि it's easier for me as an outsider coming from outside of Pakistan than it is for जो लड़कियाँ यहाँ grow up
Outsiders
करती
हो
हैं.
within Pakistan.
Within Pakistan. बहुत मुश्किल है. लेकिन impossible नहीं है. Obviously it's not impossible. I think I always say this, आजकल का जो ज़माना है, it's the easiest now to get into the industry within the right,
Right.
you know, you can use your social media platforms, you can, send in audition tapes. I think now अब आके audition का process जो है respect किया जा रहा है, finally. And they are constantly always looking for new talent, especially at the, from where I started. Hum is always looking for new people, always. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
No, that's very encouraging. That is
Yeah.
very encouraging that you can actually make a life out of it.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
With the right intention and hard work.
So I think a critical acclaim or वो breakthrough तो मिल गया फरियाल के through in कर्ज़े जान. But your next project, which is, don't tell me, Junoon Ishkam.
Yes.
I love the name. I mean, if
Do you
somebody-
actually? Are you being sarcastic?
No, I'm being sarcastic completely. If somebody had told me, बताओ Junoon Ishkam किस channel पे चल रहा है, I would have said Jio. It is such a quintessential
Yeah.
Jio. It
Manmas
sounds like
Malang,
a
Junoon Ishkam,
Junoon
और
Ishkam.
कौन से?
पता नहीं.
Ishq hai.
Ishq hai, ishq, something ishq and junoon and all of that. Or ye ishq junoon ka mein junoon ishqam. And you
Yeah.
have a double role.
I do.
And you have a double role and you're cast as lead opposite Munib Bhatt.
That's right.
This has the promise of a big kind of a crowd puller.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah,
It does.
inshallah.
And from somebody who's worked with Saqib Khan and taught how to underplay emotions or
Oh, God.
Dheema Ho Jao.
Yeah.
And who's your director in...
Saima Wasim.
And then how do you kind of take off there? Has the shoot started?
It has. We're
And-
about halfway through.
Okay.
Saima.
पहले बता दो extensions लगाई है ना?
हाँ.
Of course.
जाहिर है. I mean, come
मैंने
on.
बोला I
Even
would
जब
be
नहीं
very
थे-
impressed अगर उन्होंने कहे
नहीं,
नहीं.
मैंने रोल के लिए ही काटे हैं बाल. But I was also, I'll be
अच्छा.
honest, मैं मौका ढूंढ रही थी बाल काटने के लिए. I was like, नहीं हो रहा
Oh, so
मुझसे.
एक डबल रोल में से एक कैरेक्टर के छोटे बाल है और एक
एक लंबे.
Alright.
Cinderella. vibes.
एक बहन के लंबे हैं और एक छोटे हैं. So what is
Yeah.
it like a Sita Gita situation? What is it? Tell us.
What Sita ki?
It's an old Indian film. It's
Yeah.
one of the Hema Malini classics,
Oh, I think I
Yeah.
meant to watch
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
That was a reference for me. नहीं,
जिसमें
positive
एक बहुत
negative नहीं
मध्यम
है.
होती है और
नहीं.
एक complete ring
Positive
leader
negative
होती है.
नहीं है. दोनों positive हैं.
दोनों positive हैं.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's about as much as I can reveal without getting myself in trouble. But yeah, they're both positive.
But Munib Bhatt तो एक ही है ना?
मुनी बट एक ही है.
वो तो डबल रोल नहीं है ना?
अली अब्बास भी एक ही है.
Ali Abbas भी एक ही
जी.
है. Okay. And it's an 8 o'clock prime time
Yes.
serial. And do you have a timeline कि कब आना है on air कब जाएगा?
Well, they said Eid ke baad, but we are only halfway through.
Oh, okay.
We're only halfway through. I have no idea. There was a telefilm I also did for Geo for Seven Sky with another female director. It was with Shehzad Sheikh and Muskan Kadwani.
Right.
They co-directed. It was a very fun time. I think I'm
Shehzad
just
is fantastic.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
good.
She's cool.
So good. Yeah.
So cool. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think I've been on like a female director's flex. So I was
Huh.
okay. I'm gonna keep my eye out for the next female director after Saima Ji. It's just different. It's just I love working with Saima Api. Sometimes scenes are written a certain way, and they're written very like straight. Okay, by you just turn over the page. She, I think, finds beauty in every single page. वो कुछ ना कुछ उसमें ऐसा डाल देती हैं. Sabah Faisal is also in this. Sabah Hamid is also in this drama, and she has built the dynamics so
Strong
beautifully.
women. Yeah.
So beautifully. And again, there's nuances. There's nuances that I think that men cannot catch
Right.
within a script, or you know, the subtext of it, that only I think the lived experience of a woman can define. And I've had that advantage working with Saima Api.
So, can you tell us anything about your characters? What is the genre? I mean, it has to
Oh,
be
come
like
on.
if
Yeah.
family drama, romance, and all of
Dishum
that.
Dishum.
Dishum Dishum.
Yeah.
Huh.
Bas ye Dishum Dishum. It's a story about twins
Okay.
who are separated at birth and who live completely different lives. Completely different
Oye,
lives.
हम चले गए हैं Indian films में चले गए हैं totally.
हाँ, completely different lives. One is your quintessential Cinderella. The other one is your me.
तो है ना सीता गीता ही है ना फिर.
हाँ, but like
हाँ.
positive negative scene
नहीं
है
नहीं सीता गीता में positive
अच्छा,
negative नहीं
मुझे
थे.
नहीं पता.
एक बेचारी थी और एक रिंग लीडर थी ऐसे whiplash.
हाँ. Something like that, then, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. What I would say is that I'm really excited to see Ali Abbas in the negative role. It's no holds barred.
Is Muneeb in a
No.
positive role?
Yes.
Yeah, because usually
Yeah.
उसके बड़े shady positive roles होते हैं.
Yeah.
There's kind of a dark
Yeah.
side to his characters. Usually, not always. So interesting.
I'm nodding because yes.
It is.
Yes.
It does have those
Yes.
red flag streaks.
Yes.
Of course. जुनून इश्क
But हमारी you know जो हमारी लड़कियां हैं आजकल की उनको यही देखना है.
उनको यही देखना है. हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah. What hopes do you have from जुनून इश्क?
I think I am excited, but I am nervous. I think audience मुझे properly अब जुनून इश्क में ही देखेगी. If that is still the name, but for now it's जुनून इश्क.
Yeah.
I'm very nervous क्योंकि again I think हमारी audience काफ़ी ज़्यादा unforgiving है. अभी तक मैंने बहुत ज़बाना फरियाल types और
Yeah.
you know ये वाले roles किए
हाँ.
intellectual type
Yeah,
roles किए हैं.
smart
you know nuanced.
और ये जो है लड़कियां दोनों.
It's popcorn. There is beauty in it. There's a lot of beauty in it. There's depth in it to whatever extent that you can go. लेकिन it's scary because again अवाम जो है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा या तो completely निछावर करती है प्यार या तो फिर आपको फेंक देती है साइड पे.
हाँ.
तो let's see. I mean
अभी तो they love you भाई.
हाँ.
अभी तो they're loving you. Inshallah it'll be good.
Yes, the audience alhamdulillah has been very kind. Even in my like again more awami stuff, they've been very very kind. So let's see.
Let's see.
Let's
But
see.
yeah, promising.
Yeah.
Promising.
Yeah.
From
Lots
Karz-
of dishum dishum.
From Karze Jaan to Junoon Ishkam. Super.
big
How was
jump.
it working with Muneeb? He's a fun guy.
He's fun.
He's fun. हाँ.
He's very encouraging. He's yeah. So always jokes.
Oh, yeah.
Always fun and laughs and a very comfortable family like
Yeah.
environment.
Yeah.
Yeah. He gives a lot of advice. He talks a lot. But it's all in good
Yeah.
spirits.
But I think he just throws himself into, you know, his performance and
He
his
does.
role and
He
everything
does.
is
He does. I think he
absolutely.
really owns and claims every role that he does,
Yeah.
and everyone he works with, he takes them as his own.
ownership लेता है.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल.
And I think that's actually a novelty.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's been nice.
Yeah, I've come to know him a bit over the years, and you know he's very genuine. I mean,
Very
जो भी वो
genuine.
है ना बिंदास type,
Yeah. Yeah.
मजाक करना, गाने
Yeah.
गाना, ये
Yeah.
वो, you know.
Yeah.
So जो
He's
है
very
वो
much like,
है.
I'll take you under my wing. I'll
हाँ.
tell you how everything is done. this is how it is.
So has he taken
I
you
got
under
your
his wing?
back.
Of course he has.
To a certain, yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
So Anika, how much did you have to change for television at large and also from Karze Jaan to Junoon Ishqam? Has Anika changed herself over the years? एक तो उर्दू सीखनी पड़ी थोड़ी बहुत
जी,
because
जी।
उर्दू इतनी अच्छी तो नहीं हो सकती कि
नहीं,
स्क्रिप्ट
इतनी अच्छी
वगैरह
नहीं
पढ़ो
थी। जी।
तो वो उसमें करना पड़ा अपनी appearance में the way you dressed has it changed over the last few years?
आई थिंक मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव पाकिस्तान वापस शिफ्ट होने के बाद काफ़ी बदला है। पहले मैंने ये सोचा था कि मैं जो हूँ इंडी टाइप प्रोजेक्ट्स करूँगी, मैं इंडी डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करूँगी, फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स, OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स, दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग। फिर मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि इसका इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं है।
अपार्टमेंट नहीं आना था उनसे
हाँ, इम्पैक्ट नहीं है, अपार्टमेंट में नहीं आता।
नहीं
हाँ, I can't sustain myself
you
on
wouldn't
that.
be able to yeah
Because again, I think for me ये था कि मैं सिर्फ आर्ट के लिए करना चाहती हूँ। Again, थिएटर से जो बैकग्राउंड रखते हैं लोग, अमूमन उनका यही होता है कि बस जीना मरना आर्ट।
yeah
But then I was like, नहीं, मैं जीना चाहती हूँ।
जीना भी चाहती हूँ खाना पीना भी चाहती
मैं
हूँ
अच्छी, हाँ, मैं। और दूसरी बात ये कि मुझे किसी ने समझाया बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत प्यार से कि सिर्फ एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ डेमोग्राफिक देखेगी वो आर्ट फिल्म,
yeah
वो एक्सेसिबल नहीं है ऑडियंस के लिए, आवाम के लिए। तो आई थिंक एट दिस पॉइंट में थोड़ा सा आयरॉनिकली अवॉइड भी करती हूँ कि मैं नहीं चाहती कि मैं ऐसा कुछ काम करूँ जो सारे लोग ना देख पाएं, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन। मैं चाहती हूँ कि मुझसे लोग रिलेट कर पाएं।
yeah
तो मैंने काफ़ी बदला खुद को। I used to dress very openly. I used to wear whatever I want. I think to a certain extent I still do. लेकिन मैंने ये realize किया है कि ऊपर से आना बहुत आसान होता है, you know what I mean? अगर आप किसी को समझो, उनकी mentality को समझो, उनसे stand shoulder to shoulder with them, that's all they want.
yeah
And they will support you. And they just want to be able to see themselves in you.
yeah
And I would rather represent हमारी कितनी आबादी है पाकिस्तान में. I would rather represent the common girl here rather than who I am, or like the common girl from Canada. मेरी struggles अपनी जगह. लेकिन for me, I think, as it's going to sound kind of pretentious, it's impact.
yeah
I want to have impact.
yeah
And I think that's what leads me whenever when I'm going into my career, the roles that I'm choosing. I want to make a mark.
Are you being picky about the roles that you're choosing? Are you being careful
Not
about that?
anymore. Ironically,
नहीं ज़रूरी नहीं है
Yeah.
कि कोई अगर commercial project है तो वो irresponsible हो. Like I mean, I'm hoping that you'll still be playing strong girl.
I look at the novelty.
Yeah.
I think even जो मैंने 3-4 roles किए इस वाले से पहले, I looked for the novelty. इसमें इस वाले में मेरे लिए ये novelty थी कि ये double role है. And मैंने एक आम लड़की सिर्फ अपने उस soap में play किया था. And that was your run of the mill soap.
Yeah.
So I was like, I want to do this and see how I'm able to connect with the audience. Because those roles people don't connect to.
Yeah, no, they don't. And
Yeah.
how are you preparing yourself for every character? Like, are you sitting down and doing your wardrobe yourself, changing
Yes.
a look,
Yeah.
changing a hairstyle,
Yeah.
makeup artist? But are you
Yeah.
being particular about these things? Or are they done for you?
They're mostly done for me. I think differentiating the characters is something that I put my attention into. The one with the short hair is more like me, Anika,
Okay.
as I am, with the
Yeah.
accent and everything,
Right.
which is easier for me. And then I do the Cinderella who's going through really
Right,
tough times
right,
in her
right.
life, and she's trying to
But वो
empower
सबसे
herself.
सब relate उसी से करेंगे.
उसी से करते हैं.
Yeah.
और challenging मेरे लिए वही है.
Yeah,
वही है
absolutely.
मेरे लिए.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So I think I also look for the challenge.
Right.
She does empower herself eventually. I think every girl,
Yeah.
चाहे वो जिस भी situation में हो, girl क्या, हर इंसान खुद को empower करना चाह रहा होता है. And
करना
that's,
I mean, one would
that's
hope.
हाँ.
The Bismas of the world don't though. Somebody has to
हाँ.
shake them into
I think
kind of-
उनकी वो उनको अपनी voice ही नहीं पता कि उनके पास
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
वो
मगर
एक
होती है हर
पिंजरे
एक के
के अंदर
पास.
होती हैं और
हाँ.
उनको लगता है कि
So going back to Karza Jaan and coming full circle, It was interesting when you were cast because मैंने और हसन ने ये बहुत बात की कि we're so happy that we've got somebody who actually talks like a Canada return Pakistani, you know, जो उर्दू भी बोल लेती है लेकिन Canadian भी बोल रही है with an accent. Is there anything that you developed in that character to be more like, you know, Canadian return? No, it was
Absolutely nothing.
fantastic.
As
The
is.
wardrobe or the dialogues or the way she would say things.
I think for me, the styling, now looking back, I would have made it a bit more refined.
Okay.
But I think that made Priyal more human also.
Yeah.
But the role that was altered for me was Namak Haram. क्योंकि मुझे उर्दू मेरी बेकार थी उसमें
हाँ.
तो they were like नहीं ये कनाडा रिटर्न है और उसको वापस कनाडा ही भेज दो कहानी में तो yeah no
sad
Priyal
scene
was
हो गया.
as is
Yeah.
as is and
Yes,
I think in a way if I get to say this I think that role was written for me in many ways and I think they knew that at
Yeah.
MD they knew that
अच्छा था anyway. Faryal, she's exited the story now.
yeah and that was so nice to finally have a proper exit
Yeah.
होता ही नहीं है
नहीं होता.
नहीं होता पहला मेरा रोल है जिसमें मुझे प्रॉपर एग्जिट मिला
Proper exit मिला है and this is probably running on Saturday, so today will be an episode and
Yes.
Faryal is gone.
Yes.
So and we're talking after Faryal's exit, but the drama continues.
yes it does
I mean, literally and metaphorically, the drama continues and Karzajan is about to get dirty, really
Oh, yeah.
messy.
It
It's
is.
about to get messy, but well done.
Thank you so
And
much.
really proud of the character, love the character. I hope many girls look at Faryal and see that, you know, it's okay to get your heart broken, but you still
Yeah.
maintain your dignity, you
Of
retain your
course.
dignity, and, you know, it's not the end of the world.
I think लड़कियां ऐसी ही होती हैं
हमारे
TV पे
ड्रामा में
नहीं
तो
दिखाई
कोई ऐसे
जाती।
नहीं होती ड्रामा में तो मर जाती है ना
हाँ।
kill themselves
हर
और
लड़की
लड़का
ने-
नहीं मिलता तो
नहीं हाँ ये अजीब पता नहीं
yeah
I've been rejected before many girls most girls have been rejected before as have many guys it's just a normal part of life I think it should be presented as such
absolutely
Yeah.
absolutely you know over to the future looking forward to a good future looking forward
Thank
to
you.
Junoon Ishkam
Thank you.
and for all the drama that it's going to bring
oh so much
in a double role
so much
and well done Anika well done
your reviews if you choose to review it is going to be my guilty pleasure I'm going to have like
I hope we
popcorn.
do we're looking for something to
see.
roast these days
Wow the fact that you know you're going to roast
I mean it's kind of given right
so yeah I'm ready I'm prepared
I mean, it's kind of given. I mean, no,
Right.
let's not sort of, you know,
I know.
preempt it.
It's
but,
okay.
but probably, yeah.
Probably.
I mean, probably. Geo dramas kind of take that turn, you know, they're like over dramatic, they're melodramatic, and,
Yeah.
you know, the characters are over the top, and there's a lot of like, you know, बहुत कुछ हो रहा होता है जैसे आजकल हम डाइन देख रहे हैं
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
a guilty pleasure of mine.
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
geo dramas become a guilty pleasure.
It's true.
So that's
It's true.
and that's a good thing.
Yeah.
We need those. You know, you don't need
Yeah,
to
you need to
think-
escape from
हर
reality.
चीज तो नहीं over intellectualize देखती ना. So you need an escape as well.
True.
So very good. Very good. I hope that we'll talk again.
Absolutely.
Somewhere when Junoon Ishkam is ending.
Absolutely.
And then we'll talk to you about how that was.
Done
And
deal.
until then, good luck and thank you.
Thank you.
And yeah.